Woman beautiful Jhumka earrings. Hello beautiful guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, so please like this video and subscribe my channel Fashion Fables, where we celebrate the elegance and beauty of women's accessories. Today we are going to delve into the timeless allure of Jhumka earrings, a symbol of grace and femininity. Hello beautiful souls, I am thrilled to have you join us today as we explore the world of Jhumka earrings. These stunning pieces have the airs of women accessory culture for countries, adding a touch of charm and sophistication for any symbols. Whether you are dressing up for a special occasions or simply adding a hit of glamour to your every body look, Jhumka earrings never fail to captivate. Their delicate craftsmanship and intricate designs reflect the rich and traditional they embody. Each pair of jhumkas is a work of art, crafted by skilled artisans who poured their hearts and soul into every detail. From traditional designs passed down through generations to contemporary interpretations that embrace modern aesthetics, they are Jhumka for every style and art taste. But it's not just about aesthetics. Jhumka earring hold a special significance in many cultures, symbolizing femininity, prosperity, and good fortune. Wearing them can evoke a sense of confidence and improvement, reminding us of your inner strength and beauty. So, whether you are drawn to the classic elegance of traditional designs, of the bold statements of contemporary styles, embrace the beauty of Jhumka earrings and let your unique shine bright. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the chanting word of Jhumka earrings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep shine bright.